Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Team Genoveas Vlog. So for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Busuanga. First time natin pupunta ngayon sa Coron, Palawan, which is Busuanga Airport, ang ating destination for today's flight. Din wrap off lang kami dito ng kapatid ko. Di na kami nag-park and fly. So pagbalik namin after 3 days, babalikan niya kami dito sa airport para sunduin. So for today's morning, 10 a.m., 10:20 a.m. ang ating flight. So mag-breakfast muna tayo dito sa Jollibee kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. Maaga kami nagising. Pero marami namang kainan dito. So meron din Jollibee sa Houston pero hindi kompleto ng mga menu katulad nito mga breakfast. May beef tapa, may langsilog, may hot silog. Hello guys! Ayan. Papunta kami ng Coron, Palawan. Hi Miggy! Nandito kami sa NAIA Terminal 2. Magbabakasyon kaming tatlo to Coron. Mag-breakfast muna tayo. Hello!
Morning guys.
Nako. Beef tapa.
Ito
Breakfast Joyce. Anak. Ano ba natin? Ayan, dito na kami sa loob. Mal. Mag-check-in na tayo ng bag. Ayan. Para antay na lang tayo ng boarding. Bye! Bag ni Miggy. Sobrang lamig naman dito sa PAL. My God! Guys, na-cancel. Na-cancel yung flight namin. From Manila to Busuanga. Saan tayo? 14? Oh my God. So guys, na-cancel yung aming flight from Manila to Busuanga for today. So ayan yung mga passenger na pa-flight sana Busuanga pero wala nang flight for today. So i-resume daw nila tomorrow. So let's see kung ano yung other options natin.
Travel pa tayo sa boat, diba?
Yeah, 2 a.m.
matulog ka kasi yung 2 a.m. diretso na tayo nun.
Pagka-pick up.
So kung natin lagi sa tayo ng
Ayan. Ayan guys, so due to operational problem. Anong tawag sa problem, Al?
operational problem.
So na-cancel yung flight namin unfortunately from Manila to Busuanga today. They offer us early flight tomorrow which is 6 a.m. And then darating kami sa Busuanga ng 7:15. So ang hirap kasi July 1, 2, 3 yung flight namin pa Busuanga. And then July 4 yung pabalik na ng Amerika. So itong mag-ama ko, they took it in positive way kasi they very accommodating. They very inaasikaso naman talaga kami ng PAL, ng Philippine Airlines. So they're going to check us in Century Park Hotel in Manila with round-trip transportation from hotel. From airport from airport going to hotel, and then early flight 2 a.m. Pipick upin nila kami for 6 a.m. flight. So ayan.
Pwede na ba kunin?
So nag-book na kami for tomorrow's flight. So ayan, pipick upin muna namin yung luggage namin bago kami pumunta ng hotel. Ay, yung boarding pass natin for tomorrow.
Akit na tayo ulit doon.
Antayin natin yung transportation.
Gusto mo ipabago yung flight?
Let's see. So ayan. So pupunta lang kami ng ticketing office to ask some options kasi preferred namin yung mas later flight na going back to Manila kasi hindi kami makakapag-spend ng buong araw talaga, or hindi kami makapag-spend today and then whole days. Diba ganyan? So, ano sabi mo? Turn the positive into negative to positive?
Yeah, turn negative into positive guys. So, minsan nangyayari naman yung ganitong bagay, na-cancel ng hindi naman natin kagustuhan.
Wala namang may gusto talaga ma-cancel yung flight, I think.
Pero okay naman yung pag-accommodate nila, kaya wala naman problema doon. Kaya
so, parang may best plan si Lord for today.
tama.
So, balak namin mag City of Dreams while waiting for flight tomorrow early morning. And then, in fairness, sa Century Park Hotel, buffet, lunch, dinner, breakfast. So, there, it's all provided. Meal package, full meal. Wow! Excited! So ito guys, nandito tayo sa ticketing office ng Philippine Airlines. Pinarebook namin yung flight namin going back from Busuanga to Manila. Kasi sobrang wala na kaming time kung mag-early flight kami ng pabalik sa Manila. So ayan, papunta na kami sa bus kung saan ihatid nila kami sa hotel, from airport to hotel. And then tomorrow, they're gonna pick us from hotel going back to the airport. Ayan guys, punta na kami ng hotel, Century Park, because we're going to stay over there before the flight, early flight tomorrow. Kunin ko lang sa kuya. Thank you. Where you want to sit? So ayan guys, nakapag-check-in na kami sa Century Park. Check muna namin yung rooms and then magla-lunch na kami kasi it's already 12 noon.
11 sir. Saan yung Robinson sir? Malapit lang.
Ay, makakapagpahinga tayo. Sige. Welcome to my room. Ano yung view? Oh, may terrace na. Ha? Ang ganda. Apa? Ayan guys. So, nasa Century Hotel room na tayo. Mag-stay kami dito until 2 a.m. in the morning. They're going to pick up again.
Bakit pa, ma?
Para sa airport.
2 ng morning?
Yes, 2 in the morning. So, magtulog tayo na maaga. So, ito yung view ng ating hotel. Manila to, no? Mahal? Manila?
Wala po dito.
Ay, ayun yung pool nila, oh.
We need to sleep kasi bukas whole day tayo.
Wala dyan, mama.
Angka.
Mama, it's not there.
Yung phone daw niya, mahal.
Sa bako, diba?
Wala dito, eh.
Pagkakahan na pala naman tayo ng phone. Saan mo nilagay?
Dito ako. Doon kayo ni mama.
Nakain tayo? Welcome to Coron, guys. Touchdown. Ganda sa Coron. Welcome to Coron.
Coron, Manila.
Coron na kami, guys. Coron, Manila.
So, ayan guys. Pababa na kami for our lunch here in Century Park Hotel. Gusto. So, ito yung lunch buffet nila guys here in atrium sa baba o sa main lobby ng hotel. Thank you. Yan, buttered vegetables. Ay, gusto ko yun man.
Ganyan to? Ano to, be?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yanis chicken ito.
Yes. What's that? Wow, you want this? Meatballs. Kain tayo guys. Gawa ni Papa.
Sarap yan. Kain tayo.
Sarap.
Kain na rin tayo.
Ay.
Sige.
I'm not sure.
Thank you po.
Sarap.
Huh?
Sarap.
Sige po. Sarap.
This is my favorite, halo-halo. This salmon. So, ayan guys, tapos na tayo mag-lunch. So, magpapahinga muna kami sa hotel hanggang makapag-flight tayo tomorrow morning.